suicidal when I say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, we're only gonna do the dirt. We'll have you suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. Yeah, yeah, I remember when I was hanging with my friends. That's when I caught your eye. You thought that I was fly. Right then you wished that I would be a baby. Be a baby. You tried to spit some game, asking me, girl, what's your name? Saw the ice up on your chain, so I asked you the same. Something tells me that we'd have fun together. Fun together. I ain't easy to find, I'm one of a kind. Oh, when I dodgy wine, I know you're only mine. Tonight is yours, tomorrow's for another guy. Another guy. I'm way too cool for you, boy. That's why it'll never work. I have you suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, we're only gonna do you dirt. We'll have you suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. You've been calling me, leaving messages all week, 'cause your curiosity got your knees weak. I'm not looking for a man, so I don't want no confusion. No confusion. I took you to the flow, had you begging me for more, but that was my cue to go. So I hit the go, I let you hot with your mind just to run and wild. I ain't easy to find, I'm one of a kind. Oh, when I dirty wine, I know you're only mine. If you stick around, be careful not to fall in love. Fall in love. I'm way too cool for you, boy. For you, that's why it'll never work. I am suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, we're only gonna do the dirt. We'll have you suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. Now a couple months have passed, never thought that this would last. Oh, everybody asked how you got a girl like that, but you should have known that nothing lasts forever. Lasts forever. I mash up your mind when I tell you lies, but boy, don't be surprised that I'm seeing other guys. I'm too young to settle, and you should have known better. Known better. Damn, all these beautiful girls, you should have known. We're only gonna do you dirt. Yeah. Suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over. Let me hear that back.